Raycrafter here, and I'm back for episode 1, because last time was episode 0,
Which was epic.
Bal screwed up.
Which was epic.
He screwed it up.
You started talking about Filipinos.
It was
Dragon Owl.
Dragon Owl. Okay, let's go.
Dragon Owl. Shut up.
Let's go back to the world.
You're raping people.
Angelo, watch the words. Don't say rape.
RIP headphone users.
Wait. No! Lag! Wow!
Oh, that's what you
Holy
get.
shit.
Rani, watch your mouth.
For your information, guys, it's Shin, not the TV.
Holy shell! I said shell.
Oh, shells. Sorry for the wrong spelling, people.
I said holy
Agi,
shell.
banal na tae.
How come it's in third person view?
Banal na tae.
Bal, I said. No,
Please, it's something you do not need to know.
It's
Something I learned from my
nighttime.
Filipino friend.
It's night time. I'm just gonna turn up the
Sun.
this thing, and I'm connected to Trojan virus.
Okay, I'm starving. Rani, give me some food.
What I died suck. Killed me.
I'm starving.
You disconnected, man.
Are you there? Okay.
I'm here.
Wait.
How's the video?
Yeah. It's night. Turning.
Are we in? Are we in the video?
Yeah, it's almost night. I just turned up.
Oh no.
Yeah. I'm just gonna mine some.
Go, Rani, make a house. Make a house.
Make your own house, bitch. Don't go stealing
Make a
mine.
house out of diamonds.
Hell, that's possible, but it will take me.
I always die?
So I killed you.
There, I'm here.
It's because you suck.
Okay. I just collected cobblestone, and I see my friend there.
Okay, I think I'm
Hey.
starving.
Hey, I saw a pig over there.
Hey, I'm a kid. Wait, first, here, you were there.
Whoa, you lag, dude. You flew.
Wait, first, here's the axe. You're the axe man.
Yeah, I'm the X-Man.
Axeman,
Oh,
not
I'm the-
X-Man.
I'm the X-Man.
I'm the guy with the.
Where's the axe?
Nagamit man deodorant yan,
I'll
pahamot.
go chop
Red.
some trees.
No singing here. You're gay. You're
I'll
gay.
rocks.
Homofag.
Homo fags.
I'll city rocks.
Okay.
Homofag.
I'm just gonna make a sword.
Hey, that guy has a peace sign on his hat. Hey kid, I like your hat. It has a peace sign.
There's no peace sign on this.
There is on the other
There is.
side.
It's
Yeah.
color yellow.
There, let's go kill
See?
some mobs.
I like your
I can
hat.
barely see. Wait, give me a minute.
Turn up your bright.
See, told you it has a peace
Hey,
sign.
zombie.
See?
Whoa, I
See?
almost hit you, you know.
Here kid, it's
Okay,
a hat.
I want to
Okay.
say hello
Pig.
to the viewers of this video.
Pig.
No,
Hey,
no,
hey,
it's
kill
still
the
a
pig,
baby.
kill the pig.
Pig.
It's still
Kill
a baby.
it.
No,
Pig.
I don't like pigs.
Just kill a zombie.
No, so you're.
It's Maxine. Oh hell.
Kill it, kill it.
You're
Oh.
Kill it.
Shop.
Oh no. Hell.
Oh, whoa.
Oh no, what's hitting you?
Hey,
Oh.
feather. Hey, a feather. Hey, a feather. Wait, how did I get
Hey, there's another pig. Kill it, kill it.
It's Maxine. Get away from the video. Maxine. Yes,
That's much
away.
better.
Poor pig. He should have lived more years longer.
Yeah,
Oh, shut up. I don't like being with
try.
pigs.
So,
I'm
how
a
are you
try.
doing? Hey,
I'm a try.
how are you doing?
Controls.
How are you doing?
Okay there. Hey.
Okay, let's continue. I'll follow where you go. What are you doing? I'll follow where you go.
I'm seriously starving now.
Collect some wood. I'll protect you.
Okay.
Hey viewers, if you wanna donate some food, please send them to
To America.
Europe.
America.
You're from America, I'm from Europe.
America.
Zombie up ahead.
Eureka. You get the Eureka.
Oh shut
I saw
up.
creeper.
I see it.
Near the cave.
Hey, leave the creeper alone.
An apple. Ooh, an apple.
Get the
Want
apple.
some
Hey,
apple?
it's a zombie.
Hey,
The Walking Dead.
Creeper.
Yeah, the
Careful,
creeper.
dude.
The Walking Dead.
It's easy to kill a creeper.
No, don't stay away. Here you go.
Nope, I just got half a life. And I'm gonna eat
Go,
it.
Rani, make a house.
Wait, no.
Ooh, tasty apple.
Raincrafter, go make a
my
house.
God. Skeleton on your right. Skeleton on your right.
Skeleton.
Oh, they're killed. Ooh, 2 arrows.
It's mine.
Grab the
Here.
rest of the arrows.
No, it's yours. You're the axe. You're
I'm the axe.
you're the bowman.
Yeah, your brother's son, leader of the axe gang, and you're also
What?
kind to nature by planting.
Say again.
You only fight with an axe.
Okay, I'll try that. Okay, where is he? Where is he? Oh yeah, there you are, Dragon.
Show him no mercy.
Show no mercy.
Brofist,
Wait, how did I get 3 hearts only? Minus.
let's go to Brofist.
Have a heart.
Brofest!
From the skeleton.
Brofest!
Shot or something.
Brofest! 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 Brofest!
Guerrero.
Wait, ang mga die.
There's got 2 hearts left.
No!
Same here.
Eat the apple! Eat the apple!
I ate the apple. You want some apple?
Ah, you're screwed now! No!
Take him down.
That's for trying to kill me, dude.
Ah,
But I'll
screw
be
you,
returning your
Randy.
stuff.
Hey, no! No! You tried to steal my stuff! Ah, you panga!
That's a die call. Thrilling.
Okay, now we're back.
Okay,
Wait, where's my? Oh yeah.
No stop for you!
Here, get that pickaxe.
No,
And
stop.
there's a stick over there.
Where?
And there's a wool. I
Show him no mercy.
there.
Turn around.
He
there's
doesn't
probably some
deserve
stuff
your
behind
mercy.
Nope.
you. Look down in the
I'll,
sand.
I'll go get some mushrooms. Wait, how do mushrooms grow on sand?
They can grow anywhere.
It's magic.
No mushroom.
Hey, it's the Angelus.
Okay, guys.
Wait,
I
right now.
told you that there was
No.
some
Pause
stuff
your
behind.
game.
No.
That's
No.
very bad.
I am a feather warrior, like the an angel.
Look, creeper there. Creeper. Okay guys, be pausing the vid for a sec.